Christian school. So, this afternoon, it is my pleasure to discuss among you the topic. What is the topic? Please read. Yes or no? Yes. We are going to practice that. And I would hope the parents would come over and closer, because the parents should know more about this so that you may be able to guide your children as well. Would you like to come closer, dear parents?
Subjects.
Ano unang subject? Okay, do you know the meaning of love? Okay, what is the meaning of love? We'll discuss that later. Then we will talk about courtship, dating, and going steady. Of course, we will talk about what? Anong topic number 3? Kalinisan, responsibilities, and true freedom. Alright. So, we will be discussing that in detail. Now, that is the topic, true love waits. Itong topic na ito ay inuwi ng anak ko mula sa Amerika. At doon sa Amerika, sabi niya, true love waits. There is a group there, as the advocacy is true love waits. Alright, more. Let us talk about some basic facts about you and me. Okay? So, yung mga magulang nyo nagkita at nagdesisyon o nagpasyang magsama. At kayo ang naging bunga ng kanilang pagmamahalan. Number 2, that tayo ay bunga ng pagmamahal, kaya tayo ay marunong ding magmahal. At pangatlo, that okay, ginawa tayo ng Diyos na lalaki at babae, pero merong pagkakaiba ang lalaki at babae. Hindi ko yung tatalakayin ngayon kasi we have this topic, true love waits. Alright. Is this the little world I carry? Is this the little boy I play? I don't remember growing old there. When did you get to be a beauty? When did you get to be so tall? Wasn't it yesterday when you were small? Sunrise, sing now. Sunset, sunrise, sunset, sweetly flow the days. Seedlings turn overnight to sunflowers, blossoming even as we gaze. Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, sweetly flow the years. One season following another, laden with happiness and tears. Okay, you sang me very well, so give yourselves a big round of applause. Alright. So, ano yung sabihin niyan? Nung maliliit pa kayo noon, ngayon, eto na, nagbibinata na kayo. Maliliit pa kayo noon, ngayon, nagdadalaga na kayo. Just ang mga problemado. More. So, friendship begins, pakibasa. What defines a friend as a push when you're stuck, a word when you're lonely, a guide when you're searching, a smile when you're mad, a song when you're glad. Yung ba mga kaibigan nyo ganyan? Pag binibigyan kayo ng motivation, binibigyan kayo ng inspirasyon, yan. Kung hindi yan mahusay na kaibigan. Number 2, pakibasa. A real friend is
Someone with whom I can say what I feel.
someone. Ayun. Yung bang masasabi mo lahat ang nararamdaman mo, yung hindi ka tatraidorin, yung hindi ka ipamamalita, need her. Pagkailangan nyo ba naasahan? Pagkailangan nyo ba meron siyang ibinabahagi na atensyon? Pagkailangan mo ba nandun siya? Yun. A real friend is someone who is always available. Until